Hello, I'm Michael and welcome to another episode of Man So Walay. We're here with Abdul in Manchester and we're asking people which of these films would they like to see and why.
Thank you, Michael. बनाने का मकसद बिल्कुल हेट फैलाना नहीं. बॉलीवुड अपनी जगह पे बहुत खूबसूरत मूवीज़, पाकिस्तान की मूवीज़ अपनी जगह पे बहुत खूबसूरत. आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और प्लीज़ मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे विज़िट करें वी आर ज़ल्मी, जिसमें मैंने तकरीबन 20 वीडियोस अपलोड किए. अगर आप लोगों को पसंद है तो उसको भी शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. वीडियो देखने का शुक्रिया. इस वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट में लिख दे कि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम क्या बना के दे. So keep watching. What's your name?
Karima.
Karima. Nice to meet you, Karima.
Nice to meet you too.
I've been tired. Okay, so do you watch movies?
Yeah, huh?
Okay. Right, what's your name?
Marley.
Marley.
Abby.
Okay, guys, I bet you watch movies, yeah?
Yeah.
Two lovely girls here. What's your name?
My name is Irina.
Elena.
And my name is Tuka.
Tita. And where are you guys from?
We're from Angola, but we have two nationality, Portuguese and Angola.
So I would say hola. Yes, what's your name?
Claire. Yeah.
Okay, that's too complicated name to pronounce. What's your name?
Ying.
Okay, what's your name?
South.
South.
Yep.
What's your name? Ahmed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Saudi Arabia. He's from Kuwait.
Kuwait and Saudi Arabian guys. Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, Jenna,
Jenna. Where are you from, Jenna?
California.
California. Oh, we've got Hollywood people here. Okay, good. I'm gonna show you pictures, posters, the upcoming movies.
Okay.
It's blockbuster movies. And if I give you a free ticket, suppose. Hi guys, what's your name?
Jay.
Jay.
Katie.
Hannah. You okay, guys? Are you from Manchester?
Yeah.
I believe you don't watch Indian and Pakistani movies, yeah?
No.
You guys just watch English and
American
okay.
film, yeah.
So I'm gonna show you two pictures. Two posters with pictures.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask you if I give you a free ticket for any one of the picture, which movie would you rather watch and why? I'll start from you then. Yeah.
That one.
And why?
It looks quite actiony. It looks quite serious.
So you're more into action.
Yeah.
It's good to know.
Yeah, I would probably go with that one because it looks like there's like a romantic feel to it.
She would like to go for this one because she thinks that's the romantic movie, which is kind of right.
I'd probably go the same, but I think rather than romantic, it looks like there could be a bit of drama in it as well.
Yeah, kind of. I've never watched the movie, but it looks like that. Yeah. And a last question to you guys. I'm not gonna ask you this question because it's something to do with the girls. Like, who do you think is the more good-looking guy?
I go for this one.
So you think it's this one?
Yeah.
And what are you?
I think it
Right. Okay, so you've got two first review for Fawad Khan, and thanks for your time, guys. It's nothing to do with Hollywood. It's something different. Based on these two posters, I'm going to show you just a simple question: which movie would you rather watch, and why?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the poster, and that's hold it first.
Both look like very interesting characters.
Thank you.
Probably that one.
Probably this one.
Yeah.
You want to watch Bharat?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it looks like it's definitely going to be an action film.
Action movies, yeah.
And I feel like I'm
And if I tell you that's also action movie, then it doesn't look like from the poster though.
it looks less exciting.
Yeah.
The purple and there's
Yeah.
not a cool bike. You
Right.
know, it's just
All right, so he's going for a bike and for the action movie poster. That makes sense.
Yeah, the same.
The same.
The same, yeah.
Oh, okay. So your boyfriend is looking for action, and then you
Yeah.
like action too.
Yeah, I do.
Right.
It looks a bit more fierce and it's a bit more. This one's a bit plain.
More like romance
Like, it
and
looks more on a sad level
Yeah,
rather than action.
that's great. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Do you guys watch movies?
Yes.
Okay. I believe you don't watch Pakistani and Indian movies, yeah? You don't watch.
Yeah. I have watched one, but I forgot the
You
name.
forgot the name. Okay. I'm going to show you two posters, different movies. Based on these pictures, which movie would you rather watch and why?
Maybe I would like to watch this one.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
You want to watch this?
No,
I mean this. Yeah. And why is that? Why would you like to watch that one?
because he is handsome.
So that guy is handsome.
I think this woman must be beautiful. Like.
Okay. So she thinks this woman must be beautiful, and the guy is handsome. Thanks for your time. Thank you. To poster. Based on this poster, I want to know which movie would you rather watch, and why? Yeah. So let me show that poster here, and then to you guys. You can answer me first.
Which one of like?
So if you had a chance to watch movie,
Yeah.
one of them, which movie would you rather watch, and why?
I think that
This
one.
one.
You think this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you just show
That one.
why? Okay, so why? What's the reason? Why would?
Because the man looks so like attractive,
Okay.
and like he make a face like sexy face,
Okay.
and
And
like seems a bit of drama,
Yeah.
romance.
so you're not into action at all?
It's just,
And what-
I'll give my opinion because
Yeah.
I've been watching this probably Bollywood movies.
Yeah. That's Bollywood and Pakistani and Indian
and
movies.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
And normally I associate more with that type.
looks so like attractive,
Okay.
and like he make a face like sexy face,
Okay.
and
And
like seems a bit of drama,
Yeah.
romance.
so you're not into action at all?
It's just,
And what-
I'll give my opinion because
Yeah.
I've been watching this probably Bollywood movies.
Yeah. That's Bollywood and
Yeah.
Pakistani and Indian
And
movies.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
And normally I associate more with that type of romance, a little bit drama.
Right.
I don't really associate it with action.
Mhm.
And definitely this one, try to have a more like a. It's no
Like drama,
it's like action,
Yeah.
revenge.
Okay.
That
It's more like revenge. Yeah, I can tell.
But
Yeah.
Because of the
definitely.
face, he
The
seems
face
angry.
is like angry. The pose shows that like it's kind of
Terror and fight and suspense and all these things.
and all
Yeah.
the things.
Right.
But definitely this one
like
is
what?
more attractive, not just because of the
face.
faces, but
And which guy do you think is more good looking?
depends.
Again,
Depends
this
on,
one?
yeah, for me
I
that
think
one.
I think that girl is loving with Mr. Fawad. Makes sense.
But depends
yeah.
what people are looking after.
Right,
But
that's
definitely this is
Right.
handsome.
Fawad.
Like you want like a more
Right.
like your beard.
That's
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, she like my beard too.
definitely this
Okay.
one.
Okay, that's great.
The pose is more appealing.
That's
Yes.
correct. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for your time.
Welcome.
And you guys have a lovely day. I'm gonna show you pictures, posters, the upcoming movies. It's blockbuster movies. And if I give you a free ticket, suppose, which movie would you rather watch and why? So based on this poster. So that's one movie. And that's
Yeah.
another one.
Probably this one.
This one.
Yeah.
This one. Right.
No. Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's the one. She's talking about this one.
yeah, yeah.
And why?
Just looks like that one looks more like an action movie, and this one looks like a love story.
Love story.
Yeah. So.
And just a lot of silly questions.
Yes.
Who do you think is more good-looking guy
Between them.
between these two guys? I know both got dark hair and everything.
Yeah. I don't. We'll go with him.
You go with him.
Yeah.
It's just because of his beard or something? Or
I don't like
small.
leather jackets.
Oh, okay, cool. Just because of leather jacket, she refused to say he's a good-looking guy. That's cool. That's cool. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Do you guys watch Pakistani and Indian movies?
I watch it sometimes.
You watch it sometimes. Okay. Do you know any actor name?
Shah Khan.
Shah Khan. Okay, he knows Shah Khan, which is sounds good. And that's the questions. Fine.
Is it four movies?
No, it's two movies. So that's the same guy and that's the same guy.
Oh, okay. I'd say this one.
You wanna go for this one?
Yeah, because I like action.
You like action. You would like to go for Bharat, which makes sense. A guy would like to see action. What about you, Ahmed?
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
You don't like drama and romance?
No, I like actions.
You like action? Alright, so these two guys up for Bharat. Thanks for your time, guys. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm English.
English.
Yeah.
Like you were born in England.
Yeah.
Manchester. Okay, cool. Silly question. Based on these two posters, I just wanted to know which movie would you rather watch and why. Yeah? Does that make sense? Yeah. Cool. So these are the posters, and that's Karima. Right, Karima. So we've got one movie here, Bharat, and the one is MAULA JATT. I don't know if you watch Indian and Pakistani movie, but
Some of them, yeah.
yeah, today we're talking about these two movies.
Okay. Probably this one, purely off of the basis of like I like the image more. I like the lighting and the way that it's like compiled a bit better.
You mean the MAULA JATT? Yeah, and it's just because of the poster? Or
Yeah.
What about the guys? Like, look at that. He's a handsome guy, Salman Khan, and yeah, he's handsome too. So you just saying.
To be fair, purely from like an editorial, like creative direction, that's the one I would go
Right.
for.
So Karima choice is MAULA JATT, and thanks for your time, Karima.
No problem.
And you have a great day.